From its tranquil beaches and lush hillsides to bustling streets and stunning architecture, Penang in Malaysia is a colourful island that should be on any traveller's bucket list. Today, I'm in the capital, Georgetown, which is known for its mouth-watering street food and vibrant and diverse markets.
So, Pearly, how long has this market been here for?
As long as I can remember, it's here. Probably about 150 years.
Wow.
Pearly Key is a renowned chef and cookbook author from Penang, and she's showing me around Chaurasta Market, an institution of the region which has been around since 1890.
Ooh, what's this, Pearly?
Pickles!
Pickles. I love pickles.
Yeah, all sorts of fruits like mangoes, ambra.
What's that?
It's an Indian gooseberry.
Chaurasta is a melting pot of different cultures, with Malay, Chinese, Indian and European influences all on display. And it's a wonderful glimpse into the daily life of the locals.
Wow, this is the best market ever. You get perfectly chopped chicken and this.
The market is a hive of activity, with vendors selling an incredible range of fresh produce and local delicacies.
This is our way of cooking the chestnuts.
I love chestnuts.
Yeah, so it has soil,
Right.
as the sand,
Yeah.
with gula melaka, sugar.
So why soil though?
It will heat up and then it will cook the nut.
I just love chestnuts. It's so sweet, it's like lollies.
Yeah.
One of the highlights of Chaurasta Market is the huge selection of tropical fruits, some I've never even heard of.
Justin, this is fresh soursop juice.
I've never heard of soursop.
No, look, there's lots of it. It's next to durian. It's very thorny, but it's not as spiky as durian.
It's not as spiky, and the flavour, I like the flavour a little bit more.
Yes. Sweet, sour,
Very sweet. Yeah, and
salty.
And if you come to Chaurasta Market, Pearly tells me there's one store you must not miss.
Okay, Justin, I'm bringing you here to Uncle Lim's Popiah shop.
Right.
This is a very old art of making a crepe. It's thin crepe and it's called Popiah. Po is thin,
right.
and a crepe is called piah.
And
Piah is a biscuit.
What's it made out of?
It's just wheat flour and water,
Yeah.
but you really have to take a lot of time to allow it to ferment, and then it'll be very gluey.
He makes it look very easy,
Yeah,
but
it
I
is
think that
not.
would be quite challenging to
Yeah,
do.
it is not. The trick is that the pan must not be very hot so that it will stick.
Cool. And then
Yeah.
you just peel it off. And how do you serve it? Is it a
We're
savoury
going
or
to-
sweet?
It's a savoury, or you can also eat it as a sweet. You can see now they are doing
yes.
it. They take the peanut cookie and wrap it up so that when you eat it, it just doesn't fall all on the floor.
Wow. Thank you.
Ooh. Try. Bite into it.
That is really nice. Yes,
Yeah.
thank you so much.
The sweet version of Popiah with peanuts is delicious, but now Pearly has invited me to her cooking school to show me how it can be used in a savoury way. Pearly is renowned for her passion for preserving the traditional Penang cuisine and for her efforts to promote Penang's food heritage on a global scale. You're a very famous lady. I can see lots of articles written up about you.
Yeah, I've already been teaching for 13 years.
Wow, it's a long time. And what type of food? What's your style?
I teach local Malaysian food, and because I'm of Nyonya heritage, I teach my Nyonya food.
Nyonya cuisine is a blend of Chinese and Malay influences and is known for its complex flavours that often feature a balance of sweet, salty, sour and spicy flavours. For this version of Popiah, we've prepared a range of fresh ingredients which will be rolled in the soft crepe-like wrappers.
What do we have here?
That's hikama.
Okay.
Hikama is this little root, very sweet. So we usually put it in the soup to make it sweet. But if you wrap it and put it into Popiah, it's crunchy.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah,
And
it's
we're just boiling that just to make it quite tender?
Softer and sweeter. Let the sweetness be extracted into the soup. Yeah.
Fantastic. All right, what are we doing with the wok?
Okay, we're going to now stir fry everything. Yeah, I'm going to turn on the fire. Justine, please pour some oil.
Okay. Say when.
More.
In Malaysia, you like to use a lot of oil.
More.
Okay. The whole lot.
Yeah.
Let's use the whole lot.
Yeah. We're going to fry the tofu.
Okay. So there's a lot of oil in there, but you're frying not only the tofu, but all the other ingredients?
We are, but
Okay.
tofu needs more oil because we are doing deep frying.
And what have we got over here?
We have garlic. We are going to make garlic oil. It goes very well with the wrap. And then we have some prawns, bean sprout, and French beans.
And you see here, I've cut these. Pearlie, are you happy with my cutting style?
Boleh lah.
What does that mean?
Can lah.
What does that mean? I don't think Pearlie's very happy with the way I cut the beans. They'll still taste good, won't they?
Yes, of course.
The tofu is ready to come out of the wok. And then it's in with the garlic.
Big waft of garlic.
Yeah. And then one scoop over here. Yeah.
And Pearlie sure has her way in the kitchen.
Stir slowly, clockwise, anti-clockwise. Hayo, like that lah, like this.
You can use chicken or pork for this, but we're using prawns.
Prawns and garlic prawns, beautiful.
Yeah. The prawns is about cooked, so time to put the seasoning. Soy sauce, and also here. That's right. And then salt, 1 teaspoon. French bean goes in.
Yes.
Okay, you can fry. Yeah. Yeah, fry everything.
How's my tossing skills?
Not too bad, but let me show you.
Okay.
Okay, so this is how we stir. Always out to in, and then ease it out to cool it, and then to allow the water to reduce. We can put the tofu in. Put everything. Ooh, yum, yum, yum.
Together.
Because there is some liquid, we want the tofu and all that to absorb the saltiness and some flavor.
Okay.
Then it will taste nice.
Right.
So we're going to dish it out and then wrap it up and put it in your mouth.
That sounds very good.
To assemble the popiah, the wrapper is first spread with a sweet sauce, a black sauce, and a chili sauce. It's then filled with lettuce and cucumber, the boiled jicama, our fried garlic prawns and bean sprouts, and lastly, some chopped spring onions and a few sprigs of coriander. The roll is then wrapped tightly and cut up into small, bite-sized pieces. Popiah is a delicious and healthy snack that is loved by both locals and visitors to Malaysia. It's the perfect example of the country's diverse and flavourful cuisine, and it's definitely worth trying if you ever have the chance.
Homemade is always so nice.
The crunchiness, but also very sweet. That's so good.